UV gel polish isn't sticking to your nails? I'll try to explain the most common causes and share a few useful tips. Usually, the most common cause of poor durability of a UV gel manicure is an improperly prepared nail plate, and it's the key. Don't skip this step. Grab a nail file, a pusher, or cuticle nippers and mattify the nails using a polishing block. While degreasing the nail plate, don't touch the cuticles to keep sebum off the nails. To improve durability, apply a primer and wait until it evaporates. Time for a color. Remove the excess UV gel polish on a brush by wiping it on the inside of the bottle. Just a small amount of a UV gel polish. Apply a thin layer of the UV gel polish. Remember to secure the free edge while applying each layer. When curing the UV gel polish, make sure all nails are properly cured under a lamp. Similarly, applying too thick layers is a very common mistake. Remove a wrinkled UV gel polish using a nail cleaner. Remove the remaining parts like with a standard manicure, and paint the nail one more time. Apart from a properly prepared nail plate, the method of applying the UV gel polish is very important. Do not cure a UV gel polish which has spread to the cuticles. To avoid this, simply help yourself with the thumb while pushing back the nail walls. And use a thin brush while painting near the cuticles, for example the 2-in-1 multi-tool. Finally, cure under UV lamp, and you are all set. With us, you are supported all the way through.